Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find your saved passwords on iPhone running the latest iOS 18 updated. Apple has made a big change in how you access your passwords. So if you use to the old method, this guide will get you up to speed. In a previous version of iOS, you could simply go to the Settings app, scroll down and find the password section. But with iOS 18, that's no longer the case. Apple has introduced a new standalone app called Passwords to make managing your saved credentials even easier. Here's how to access it. First, check your home screen for the Password app. It should already be installed after updating to iOS 18. If you can't find it, open the App Store, search for passwords. Search and download it. Once you open the password app, here's what you'll find. All passwords. This section shows every password saved on your iPhone, including those for website and apps. Wi-Fi passwords. A dedicated section for view passwords for Wi-Fi networks you're connected to. Perfect if you often forget your Wi-Fi passwords. Passkeys and codes. Access your saved passkeys and any additional codes stored on your device. And that's it. In this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the like button.